Hello everyone, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to you on eAcademy 123. Today we'll discuss how to download and how to install the mysql.connector module. What is the use of that? It is the use whenever you want to do the all type of database activity in Python, then you have to install that module. Otherwise your program will not work. So how to do that? Let's start. What does it mean? It is the simply mean it will connect your program to the MySQL. Okay, that is the mean of that thing. Or so you have to install this connector in case of you are doing database activity or insert, delete, search and update all that activity. Okay, then first of all I will check whether it is installed or not. So I will go ideally in Python. Okay, this is what nothing but Python shell. Okay, and here I will check whether it is install or not. Import, and you will type mysql dot connector and hit enter. Then you will find the module not found error. This is the most important error, and this error will come when you are not installed the module mysql dot connector. Okay, so let's start. First of all I minimize it and I go here this website. Okay, this website, and on that website we will type mysql.connector. Okay, if you type here, then you will find what is this. In a few seconds this link will appear, mysql-connector dot, its version 2.2.9. okay, and you will click here, then the process will going on. Okay, here you will appear what will this download files. Okay, this will clicked by you, then you will face this thing. Okay, mysql-connector dot version name and dot tar files. Okay, this is the tar file. Okay, download it by clicking on it. Okay, then it is downloading in a few seconds. Okay, yes, it is asking me the location where it will install. By default it will install in the download folder, but if you want to install in another place or another directory or folder, then you can change here. Okay, I will just save it, and the process is going on, and as per your internet speed it will download in a few seconds. And after downloading, open it, show in folder you can say, or just okay, it is showing and web address or URL of this website I will paste in the description box. Then you can access this address and come on this website and just do that process what I did now. Okay, and just I minimize it. It is in the download folder. Okay, and here you will find where this is tar file. Okay, then I will find what you will say m, and again m by MySQL you will search. Okay, then yes, this is the appear MySQL connector. Okay, and with its version. Okay, I will extract here because it is the zip file. Extract here, then it is extracting here. Okay, it will extract, and here it will appear MySQL connector folder. Open. Now I will open on double clicking it, and you will come here. If yes friends, something important here, if you download the will file, then you have to go to the script folder. Okay, but right now I download it, so there is nothing but just I will open on the same location cmd. Okay, cmd, what does it mean? It is the command prompt, and you have to open command prompt at the same location and hit the enter. Okay, then this is the command prompt window. In your case it maybe looks different, like black background and etc., but I have customized it so it's look like that. Okay, first of all you have to run setup.py. okay, setup.py, if you run it, then no command right now fired, but okay, no command supplied, but I just started this. Okay, and here I will do what I need. Okay, first of all pip and install. Okay, this is important command, you have to fire, must, it is different. Okay, install, and what is spelling install. Okay, space, what is now mysql hyphen connector. Okay, if you do that and hit the enter, okay, the process will going on, the process of installation that is going on, collecting mysql connector, and the process is going on. Okay, in a few seconds, yes, congrats, the successful installed mysql connector. You can face many error like your pp is not upgraded, so such type of error also may be appeared. So you have to first of all that pip version you have to install, upgrade. Okay, and just I cut it, similarly I cut it on. Okay, everything I will cut, and I am coming on my python shell. Okay, and here I will type what already I have typed, import and mysql dot connector. Okay, and if you hit enter, then you will find no error. It does mean it is installed, it is completely installed. So it is used for database connectivity, and it is the simplest process, and link of that website I will paste in the description box, so you can access. Okay, if this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye, we will meet soon again.